Hello friends, welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss how to determine water content of the soil by oven dry and pycnometer method. Here in the right side you are seeing is a pycnometer and left side it is oven dry oven. Today we will discuss the contents. What is water content of soil? Second, water content of soil by oven dry method. Apparatus required for oven dry method, minimum soil sample quantity, test procedure of the oven dry method, observations and calculation of oven dry method, result of oven dry method. After that we will discuss water content of soil by pycnometer method, and the apparatus required for pycnometer method, test procedure of pycnometer method, observations and calculation of pycnometer method, and result of the pycnometer method. First we know what is water content of soil. The water content of soil is the ratio of mass of water to mass of solid which is expressed in percentage. Oven dry method and pycnometer method are commonly used to determine the water content of soil in laboratory. First, water content of soil by oven dry method. The oven dry method is widely used laboratory method determines the water content or moisture content of given soil sample. It gives very accurate result. Apparatus required for oven dry method. To determine water content by oven dry method, following equipment is required. First, hot air oven. Second, non-corrodable airtight container, 3 nose. Third, digital weighing machine, accuracy of 0.04% of mass of sample. Third, desiccator, and fourth, tongue. Minimum soil sample required is depend on the percent of soil present. The soil sample collected from the field should be required quantity to find the water content. The quantity of soil required is depend upon the maximum particle size and gradations of the soil sample. Below the table here you are seeing is given what quantity we should taken for the test. If 90% of the soil is greater than the following sieves given here, that is 425 micron sieve, 2 mm microns, 2 mm sieve, 4.2 mm sieve, 10, 20, 40 respectively. Here amount given that if we have 90% of the soil particles that is more than 4 to 5 micron sieve, then we will use 25 gram of the soil. That are given the respective amount according to the size of the particles. After taking the sample, the test procedure of the oven dry method to find the moisture content of the soil consists following steps. The first step, clean and dry the container and weighing them and note down the mass of each container, that is M1. Also note down the number of each container along with its weight. After that, collect the sample from the field, remove the top layer of the soil and collect the wet soil from the bottom layer. Fill the container with required quantity of soil sample and weight each container and note down its mass M2. The mass M2 is given here, the mass with soil with container. The soil is wet soil. After that, place the container in the hot air oven, arrange temperature around 110 degrees Celsius and allow them to dry for the 24 hours. After 24 hours, turn off the oven and take out the container using tongue. Cool down the container in desiccator for 1 hour. After that, wet container and note down the mass M3 for each container. Here M3 is the dry weight of soil with container. Here we will see the observations. The data collected during the test is noted on the sheet given here. From this data, we can calculate the percentage of water present in the soil. As we know formula, W is equal to weight of water and weight of moisture present in the soil upon dry weight of the soil. Here weight of moisture present in the soil is can be founded by M2 minus M3, M2 wetted soil, M3 dry soil mass, and upon mass of solid can be founded by M3 minus M1, that is dry soil minus weight of the container. Using this formula you can find the percentage of the water content in the following sample. Here that is given M2 M3. Here the data you have to retain in this manner. After that you will get the result. Now the second procedure or second method is uh, Pycnometer method. Pycnometer method is also useful to determine water content, but this is used when the specific gravity of a given soil sample is already known. However, a specific gravity can also be determined by using pycnometer, that we will discuss in next video, another video. Apparatus required for the pycnometer method, that is pycnometer distance, weighing balance with an accuracy of 1 gram, glass rod, vacuum pump. Test procedure for the pycnometer method is: first, wash, clean and dry the pycnometer and note down its mass M1 along with the brass cap and washer using the weighing balance with an accuracy of 1 gram. Now place a sample of the wet soil about 200 to 400 gram in pycnometer and note down its mass M2. Then add water to the soil in pycnometer to make it about half full. Stir the soil using glass rod to remove air white of the soil sample, that is, the soil become free saturated. If available, content the vacuum pump to the soil specimens to remove entrapped air. Add some more water and after eliminating the entrapped air, stop stirring and fix the brass cap. More water is added through the hole in brass cap until the water is flush with the hole. Now take the mass of pycnometer M3. Now wash of empty and wash the pycnometer, then fill it with only water and take its mass M4. Now here observation says W is equal to M2 minus M1, that the formula given here you can see also, upon M3 minus M4 into G minus 1 upon G minus 1 into 100. We have already founded M2, M1, M3, M4 and G is given. Using this formula by plotting chart you can find water content. Thanks for watching this video. We'll meet again with another topic.